beautiful weather that we're having. Just look at the view we have from Columbus right now. Clear, beautiful skies, and we have some spring-like temperatures to go with it as well. 76 degrees for us here in the Starkville area, a dew point of 59, and we have a south wind at 20 miles per hour, and that south wind is really pumping in that warm air from the Gulf, and it's warming up the whole southeast. 77 degrees in Jackson, 75 in the Golden Triangle, and 74 degrees in Memphis. So anywhere you go in the southeast, you're getting some of this amazing spring weather, and it's a little bit humid to go with it as well. Just check out the dew points we have in the southeast. 67 degree dew point in New Orleans, so you know it's going to be feeling humid there all throughout the day, and everyone's going to be seeing those high dew points as well, as we see that Gulf moisture just getting pumped right across New Orleans up to us here in North Mississippi, and that's going to be with that low that we have off to our west. It's going to be coming through and tonight, and a front is going to come along with it as well, and that's going to bring in some clouds, and we're expecting a little bit of moisture after that front passes through. We're looking at Saturday around 7. You can see it pumping in around southern Louisiana, so we're expecting a little bit of rain for us here over the weekend. But today we get to enjoy this beautiful sunshine. 77 degrees. It's going to be plenty of sunshine. It's going to be a little humid, but still get out there and enjoy it. And tonight we're going to drop down only to 48 degrees. It's going to be partly cloudy. The winds are going to switch to a west-northwest wind at 17 as that front's coming through. It's going to cool us down tomorrow to only 57 degrees. It's going to be cooler, a little bit partly cloudy, but it's still going to be bearable for us here in Starkville. Now, as we look at the next 5 days, you can see those temperatures drop as the front comes through, and we're expecting a little bit of rain with it as well. 55 is the high for us on Saturday. We have chances of rain Saturday and Sunday. 58 on Sunday with the lows in the 30s for the weekend. So definitely bring a jacket if you're getting out on the town. Monday and Tuesday we jump back up in the 60s, but we do have a few chances of rain expected with it as well to start our work week off. The main concern is going to be just south of Vardaman and northwest of Woodland. It's where the strongest hail is expected to be falling right now. It's also where we're expecting to see a tornado because we do have this hook that's associated with this storm. It's moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. So if you're traveling along Highway 15 or Highway 8, I would say now is the time to get into your safe place because the storm is moving pretty quickly. It's moving at 50 miles per hour northeast. If you're in the Houston area, Okolona, we're expecting it to head your way within the next 25 to 30 minutes, so be prepared for that. And see just where the strongest rotation is, and that's going to be right here just south of Okolona, north of Egypt. We're going to get a closer look at that. As you can see, the brightest colors are just right here, and that is where this tornado is expected to be. It's expected to be crossing Highway 45 within the next few minutes. So if you're south of Okolona, north of Egypt, on Highway 45, now is not the time to be on the road because the tornado has touched the ground. We do have reports of the tornado on the ground. So now is the time to be in your safe place, and that would be the lowest portion of your house. Turn the TV up as loud as possible so you can hear it. See that this storm has a large hook echo associated with it. It is one of the largest that I have seen today. So it's been a relatively quiet day for us here in the Golden Triangle area. If you've been outside, I'm sure you've noticed a few passing clouds and a beautiful view to go along with it. Look at the Golden Triangle sky cam right now. We have blue skies, a few clouds, and some warm weather to go along with it. Temperature of 70 degrees right now, and the dew point of 54. Now, we've been watching this dew point steadily increase just over the past few hours. At 4 a.m. this morning, we were at 37 degrees, and we have already skyrocketed to 54 degrees. So what does that mean for us here in the Golden Triangle? Well, unfortunately, it means rain. Not today or tomorrow, but Friday it will be here. Futurecast is showing that around 9 a.m. on Friday, the rain will be moving into our area, and it will be out by 7 p.m. on Friday, but don't get your hopes up just yet because it will be back this weekend. As for tonight, 56 degrees. The clouds are going to increase, and it is going to be a humid night, and same case for tomorrow as well. 75 degrees. It's going to be cloudy and breezy. We're going to continue to bring that moisture in, and it's going to do nothing but increase our chances for rain over the next 5 days. Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, we're looking at highs in the mid to upper 60s, and the rain chances are increasing as we go throughout the weekend. And when we start our work week off Monday, we do have a high of 74, but it's going to be a wet Monday for us yet again.